Hi friends, this is the lecture number 17. Today just we are talking about the hexa to binary. Okay, how to convert hexa to binary. So what is hexa? Again I am just telling you, whenever you have any number and its base is 16, then this number is the hexa. Okay, what is binary? Whenever you have any number and its base is 2, then this number is the binary. Okay, so now what is the base? Go in the lecture number 2, it will clear your concept. Okay, so here we are converting the hexa to binary number. Okay, let us, we have this example E. Okay, you can take anything 32. Okay, and then after then decimal, suppose you have this decimal number, then after then A and 68, this number, and here we have written the base is 16. So this base, it is representing, this is the hexa number. Okay, now how to convert hexa to binary? This is very simple. Okay, so first one, what is 2? What is the representation of 2 in hexa? That is the table of hexa. Okay, so what is the representation of 2? 2 is 0010. 2 is 0010. What is the representation of 3 in our table? Okay, 3 is 0011. 0011. Okay, now after then what is the representation of E in our table? Okay, this is the hexa table. Okay, E means this number. Okay, this number 1110. 1110. 1110. So what is the representation of A in our table? That is 1010. The 1010. What is the representation of 6 in our table? 6 is 0110. 0110. What is the representation of 8 in our table? 8 is 1000. 1000. Now after then you will put all the data here. So your first number 1110. Then after then 0011, then after then 0010, then after then decimal, then after then 1010, then after then 0110, then after then 1000. So after then base is 2. Okay, this base it is representing, this is the binary number. Okay, this base it is representing, this is the hexa number. Now we have converted this hexa to binary. This is the way. Okay, thank you so much.